Hello, in this video we'll show you how to change the coolant on Opel Astra J. First I'll show you how to drain the coolant, and then we're going to fill the coolant with vacuum. First we need to remove the under tray so that we can get to the radiator. On this car, the radiator has a drain plug, and we need to loosen the drain plug and the coolant will start flowing. The drain plug on the radiator is the red cap over there. We don't need to remove the cap, we're just gonna loosen it and the coolant will start flowing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. After we drain all the coolant, we can close the cap. Next we need to fill the system with coolant and also bleed it. So I'm going to use this kit to bleed the system. This is the tool that I'm going to use. I'm going to put the coolant in through vacuum. This vacuum tool will suck all the air out of the cooling system and will fill it with coolant. This way there will be almost no air pockets in the coolant system. First we need to find the right cap for the coolant tank, and then we put the vacuum tool on. Next we put on the compressed air, and then we'll make a vacuum in the cooling system. We'll also put in the hose from which the cooling system will be filled. This hose is going into the coolant bottle. And next we're going to vacuum the system. When we start vacuuming the system, when the arrow goes into the yellow tap, we need to stop the vacuum and start filling. Here it is in the yellow tap, so now we'll start filling the system. When the arrow goes down to 0, that means that there is no vacuum left in the coolant system. So next we can remove the cap and fill the rest of the coolant tank directly with the bottle. We can see that it needs a little bit more to go to the maximum level. And now that we filled the coolant and bled the system, we can close the cap and car is ready to drive. Thank you for watching.